If you would like to print a planting report, simply go into Analyze at the bottom of the page, come up to the top of the page, and pick your current application. I'm going to select soybean seeding for 2020. I have the ability to see all of the fields, how many acres was planted in each field, and what the average rate was. If I select 2 at the bottom of the page, I can also see my last planted date. If I select last seeded, it will sort the fields based on planting date. If I would like the first planted to be on top, simply select last seeded again to sort from earliest date to latest date. If I would like to print this report out, simply select the arrow, choose PDF. A report will be generated, and you can either text it, email it, or print it. I'm going to select print, and then we will see a preview of the report that will be printed out. Has each field, the area of each field, the rate, the speed, seeded date, along with all of our totals and averages at the bottom. To navigate back, select the back button and cancel the print. Also have the ability to go in and look at varieties and determine what fields those varieties were planted in. I also have the ability to see how many acres of each variety was planted. If I wanted to print that out, I could simply also hit the share button, select PDF, and whatever report we look at, we can print or email that type of report if we would like to share it.